Hi guys, quick little video. You can start a new project. So obviously you've seen this one before, but we're going to do another one of them, another one of them, bit of moving over here. Twin motor, twin speed controller, standard layout, obviously up to twin success. Waiting on a few bits still to come, motor mount and a few bits like that. Twin 27 teeth pinions. Got fly lead, got fan covers, got all sorts of bits. But yeah, so I'm going to start this shortly, and it's not going to happen straight away. I'll start taking bits apart. I'm not going to film the whole lot because it's a bit boring. But yeah, I'm certainly going to get it stripped, get diffs out, probably go for 500,000 in all of them, I suppose, just to sort of thicken it all up and start working out space and bits like that. So yeah, twin motor, bitty design, 765 McLaren, coming soon. If this is the sort of stuff you want to see and keep an eye on, subscribe and hit that bell and all that sort of stuff. I think this one's going to be quite a quick conversion. I've got it all planned out in my head. Whether that's good or not is another thing, but yeah, speedrun felony is all together. Again, just wait for the weather. British weather at the moment is shocking. So yeah, I'm going to make a start on this. Anything that's exciting along the way, I'm going to record and keep you updated. Cheers guys, see you soon.